To send Xdc from Uphold to a wallet, start by logging into your Uphold account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you can view all your assets, including Xdc. Click on the Xdc asset to access the transaction options. Next, click on the Send option to initiate the transfer process. You will be prompted to enter the recipient's Xdc wallet address. It is crucial to ensure the address is correct, as transactions on the blockchain are irreversible. Double-check the address to avoid any potential losses. After entering the recipient's wallet address, you will need to specify the amount of Xdc you want to send. You can choose to send the entire balance or a specific amount. Be aware of any transaction fees associated with the transfer, as they may vary. Before confirming the transaction, review all the details, including the recipient's address, the amount of Xdc, and any applicable fees. If everything is correct, confirm the transaction. Uphold will then process the transfer, and the Xdc will be sent to the recipient's wallet. It is essential to note that transaction processing times may vary depending on the network congestion and the wallet's settings. Once the transaction is confirmed, you can track its status using a blockchain explorer or by checking your Uphold account. To add an extra layer of security, make sure your Uphold account and wallet are set up with two-factor authentication. This will help protect your assets from unauthorized access. Additionally, always verify the recipient's wallet address to ensure you are sending the Xdc to the correct destination. By following these steps, you can securely send Xdc from Uphold to a wallet. Remember to always prioritize security and double-check transaction details to avoid any potential issues.